Good morning, Lily. Our train leaves in 20 minutes. Everything is ready. I have our train tickets safely in my handbag. Perfect. Let's go to platform 5. Wait, my handbag is open. Are the train tickets still inside? Let me check right now. Oh no! The train tickets are missing! Stay calm. We'll find them together. Someone must have taken them. Let's ask the station master for help.
Please tell me exactly what happened.
Our train tickets disappeared a few minutes ago.
Someone gave me this empty ticket envelope.
That belongs to us. But where are the train tickets?
The person who found this envelope said it was lying near platform 5.
Then let's search platform 5 immediately. Maybe someone dropped the tickets there. Look, there are small paper pieces on the floor. Someone may have torn something. Let's follow this trail. Excuse me, did you see anyone holding white train tickets?
Yes, I saw a man picking up some papers.
Which way did he go?
Walk toward the waiting lounge.
Come on, we're getting closer. I hope we're not too late.
Emma, look over there. That man is holding tickets. Could they be ours?
Let's talk to him politely. I hope he knows something about our tickets. Stay calm and let me speak first. Excuse me, sir. Did you find 2 train tickets?
I found several tickets on the platform.
May we see them, please?
These tickets belong to different passengers.
None of these are ours. We still haven't found the right ones.
Attention passengers. Train 204 will depart in 10 minutes. We don't depart in 10 minutes. We don't have much time left. There must be one more clue. Emma, look at the security camera. Maybe it recorded everything.
Let's check the footage immediately. The security footage is loading now.
I hope it shows what really happened. This could solve the whole mystery. Pause the video right there. Someone picked up the tickets.
Let's zoom in for a closer look.
He didn't steal them.
He was trying to return them. We misunderstood everything.
He left the tickets at the Lost and Found office.
Then they're still here. Then they're still here.
I have an envelope with 2 train tickets.
Those could be ours. Please open it.
Let's see whose tickets these are.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I really hope they're ours.
These tickets belong to Emma and Lily.
That's wonderful! We finally found them.
An honest passenger turned them in.
Please thank that person for us. His kindness saved our journey. Final boarding call for train 204. Let's hurry to the platform. We made it just in time. Today taught us an important lesson. Never lose hope and always appreciate honest people. Kindness can turn a difficult day into a happy ending.